Hello everyone, and in this video I want to show you guys how to get custom Google Chrome themes. So first of all, you're going to want to open Chrome, and then on the bottom right you're going to see Customize Chrome. And once you click this, you have the option of, it gives you your appearance, and you can change it from light to dark to whatever, if your device is set at light mode or dark mode, it'll auto that color. But I just keep mine at dark, and then you have these bunch of these color themes to just do. These are some basic ones, and then you can make your own custom color. But what I want to show you guys more is how to get a custom theme. So none of these. So first you want to go click change theme under appearance, and then once again, you have your basic default Google ones that they made. There's a whole bunch here to choose from. You can get solid colors too, but we want to go to the down here all the way to the Chrome Web Store. Now it'll take you to this page. Now once you're here, you can type in the search bar Chrome themes. Oh, Chrome themes. And then you're gonna see a bunch of like customized themes. So like look, it changed the look of the page. So it's not you're not just changing the color of the background picture, you're changing actually how it looks. So I'm just gonna download one here to show, like this classic blue theme. Sure, it'll look like this. You can see your preview images. So when you can to actually get this onto Chrome, you just click Add to Chrome, and it's loading, and then it literally just instantaneously gets like that. As you can see, it's like completely different. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.